So I'm going to start by showing you an alternative way that does not require you to show any work. I plug in the left side of the equation and the right side of the equation, and I want to know where they intersect. If you're required to show work, then you need to know the algebra, which will be the second way. If you only need to come up with an answer, this is a quick way. Wherever they intersect, I want to know the x answer. Now, the nice thing about using the calculator is it eliminates any extraneous solutions you may have. So I hit graph, I see where they intersect. So I'm going to go second trace, come down to intersect. First curve is the first equation. Second curve is the second equation you plugged in. And I can see they intersect at 7. I want to know the x answer, so 7 is my answer. What do you have to show your work? Well, to isolate this x and bring the next x over, I need to get rid of the square root. So opposite of a square root, the opposite operation is squaring. The square root and the square really multiply to give you 1. Again, oftentimes students think they cancel. It's really equals a 1 with multiplying. My suggestion is to always move everything to the same side as the x squared. When it moves across, it switches signs, becomes negative, becomes negative. At this point, we can use a calculator. We could do the quadratic equation, always works, or if it's factorable, we could factor. So do I know two numbers that multiply to equal negative 28 and combine to give you a negative 3? And now, remember, I don't have to do bottoms up, but what makes each one of these equal to 0? Now, why does this particular method give me 2 answers, but using a calculator only gives me 1? Again, the calculator is going to eliminate extraneous solutions, and the reason why negative 4 does not work is because if I plug a negative 4 in for the left-hand side, I know I don't even have to take time to plug it into the right-hand side because the answer a square root provides will always be 0 or greater. It can never equal a negative number. So just to show you here, 3 times negative 4 is negative 12, and then negative 12 plus 18 is 16. The square root of 16 is 4. I know this is not a true statement. Negative 4 does not equal positive 4, which makes it an extraneous solution.